Alright, so today I'm going to start off with a delicious smoothie. I was able to go grocery shopping yesterday, which was awesome. They have a Whole Foods like super close to where I'm staying. So today's blend is going to be some pineapple chunks, one banana, some coconut water. I picked up one of these little collagen peptides. I love this brand, Vital Proteins. Some baby spinach and some raspberries. Should be good. And the blender, I swear it's from like 1985, but you know what, it gets the job done. I made one yesterday and it was really good, so I am very pleased. And also every morning I start off with my women's focus here, women's once daily multivitamin, and also elderberry to support my immune system. And these ones are good because they're like little chewies, so they taste delicious. So as we know, life is not always full of rainbows and sunshine, and my rental car broke down on me. So I'm actually waiting for the tow truck to come get me right now. They're gonna swap it out and maybe they can even upgrade me. I'm not really sure. This car was the upgrade, so I'm just trying to stay positive because I would rather this happen now than when I drive to Yosemite, because that's kind of a long drive, and then once I'm in the park I would be completely out of service. So just thankful that this happened now versus later. Also, I'm a little sunburned, so I probably need a little break from the sunshine anyways, and I got in some really nice hikes this morning, so it's all good, you know. It's just life. It's not perfect, and I think that at the end of the day it's more so just about your attitude. So we'll see what happens. Broke down, so they upgraded me to a brand new Jeep Wrangler, so your girl is pleased. So the struggle is real. I have no spices besides salt and pepper, but I think it's still going to taste good. And I also bought this dressing from Whole Foods, so I'm going to try drizzling that on it, and I'm going to serve this with a piece of sprouted whole grain toast and some baby spinach. Alright, well here's my quick and easy dinner. I've been so good since I've been on vacation. I actually haven't eaten out at all, so yeah, did a big grocery shop at Whole Foods, got everything that I needed, and I've just been making it work. Alright friends, that pretty much wraps up the day. It's been such a long day. I'm gonna take a nice warm shower. I have a big drive ahead of me tomorrow. I'm going to Yosemite. I'm so excited for that. So I'll keep you posted. Thank you so much for watching. And again, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.